Hydraulink started 1945. We traced it back to there at a small shop in Kaiba Pass, and then after that they shifted down to Pukekohe because one of their major clients was down there.
We made an offer on Hydraulink at that time. It cost $1 million in 1989, was a lot of money.
And it's been a great journey since then. We've grown the company through having very dedicated and focused staff who have been with us for a long time. And we've had some great partners as well with our distribution networks and service partners. And that's combined to give us a really strong presence in New Zealand, a market leadership now.
We did convert a lot of people over, and I think one of the underlying philosophies has been that it's all about the relationship with customers. We're not just a supplier who turns up one day and asks for an order and then goes. We really want to add some real value to our customer base, and that's just not the end user customer, that's our network of distributors and technicians.
We got a big boost in Australia when we made an acquisition in 2000, and then we've moved to being a major player in the Australian market, and now Indonesia and also into Papua New Guinea and throughout the whole of the Pacific Islands as well.
One of our strengths is our network. We're in every national customers because we can repair their plant and equipment wherever it is in New Zealand or Australia.
Yeah, it's definitely changed a lot since I started. We were a smaller company then. We've grown as a company. We've got a lot of people. Improvement in systems over that time. Pretty proud of what we've achieved on the technology front. We've introduced mobile invoicing. We're the first company to do that in the hydraulic hose and fittings game.
Since I've been here, I've seen the company grow, and I think we have a great team, in particular in finance, but also across the country we've got very good people, a lot of new opportunities, and you see people growing in their roles and moving across the business, and this is a good change.
We're in marine, we're in forestry, we're in agriculture, we're in construction, all sorts of industries. A big part of our market in New Zealand is agricultural, and a big part of the market in Australia is raw materials and mining. We're now into large mining projects and large end users as well. And with all of our certification of our hoses and also of the certification of ISO and various other ones, we're a market leader now, and people are really taking us seriously in these markets.
I've been there coming up 42 years, and now we've got 2 impulse rigs plus a burst rig and a couple of other machines as well. So that gives us a very good capability to engineer stuff.
We've got very world-class suppliers who are right up with the latest technology, so we can compete with anybody in the marketplace. I think the big things for us too was the branding. We adopted the yellow colour, and when we shifted up to the Great South Road and painted a big building up there bright yellow and put our hoses all over it, it really made a statement to our competitors and also to our customers that we were here to stay.
So during the 2000s we were very involved with motorsport and motorsport sponsorship, which was a good way of getting our brand out there. And one of the things that really surprised me was at one of our events we sold over $40,000 worth of branded Hydraulink clothing. So people were buying our brand to wear around, and that was a really proud moment for me, that people would see enough value in our brand and what we were supporting to do that. So I think that's pretty cool. Team New Zealand, people say, oh, what's that all about? We've been with them since 1995, so we've been through 7 defences and challenges, and our hoses are now used on all of the America's Cup boats. So that's been fantastic for us, a good branding exercise, and we've just finished up in Barcelona with another win.
Well, this is a very dangerous industry. There's high pressures. There's a lot of equipment we're working on in various locations, and we've got to be very aware of the health and safety issues for our staff and our customers. And so we've put a lot of effort into that, haven't we, Noel?
Yeah, we want all our staff to come to work and go home safely. For us, and from a governance point of view, we're really focused on health and safety throughout New Zealand and Australia. So I would say our culture in Hydraulink is a family culture. We introduced a We Care program quite a number of years ago, and that means we care for our people, suppliers, for our customers.
For 80 years we haven't just created jobs, we've created careers, and you would have met quite a few people through the business that have been here for 40 years and beyond, moved their way through and created a really successful career for themselves. The way I look at Hydraulink is it's actually like a community, so everybody helps each other out to achieve the best for the customer, but also for everybody within that community.
We have a lot of long-serving employees and managers in the business, and they've stayed with us because they've also bought into the growth and the possibilities of where this company could go. And we're very keen on developing younger people through the business because we need some more young legs out there.
The most valuable asset a company has is its people, and we realise we can't keep everyone here. But what we want to achieve is, if anyone leaves us, that they're a far better person than when they joined us.
What initially attracted me was having previously worked with the managing director. I knew that his commitment to excellence was deeply embedded in the company's culture. Well done, Hydraulink and its extended team on 80 years.
We are pretty serious at looking at our impact from an ESG perspective, from a social perspective in the marketplace. We have some great opportunities in the business here for people to learn, to grow. We need to champion that a lot more out in the marketplace. For young people that might be looking for something that they might not have originally thought of as a career, and they can build that career here at Hydraulink.
Looking ahead, the next 80 years will be driven by innovation and the future generation coming in and making their mark at Hydraulink. I look forward to seeing where that takes us. Congratulations on 80 years Hydraulink, and a special congratulations to Noel and Lee for your leadership and vision that has got the company to where it is today.
I'm most proud of the growth of the company over the years, from small beginnings to where we are now. We'll leave a great legacy behind for those who continue.
I'm really proud of that people recognise the brand. Yeah, I think it's a great place to work and to be. You should use Hydraulink because we're New Zealand owned and operated. We care about you, customers, our staff, and we're easy to deal with.
Hydraulink is a top quality brand, and you'll always be satisfied with what we deliver because we do a fantastic job with a wide range of products and a wide range of applications.
I think the most valuable smile is that of the customers when a yellow Hydraulink vehicle turns up on site. It's a sign of relief, it's a sign of saving money, it's a sign of a problem getting fixed in a timely manner.
One of the real positives here at Hydraulink is the way we respond to change when it's needed. We've already significantly grown our footprint here in Australia. I see a number of very exciting opportunities in other metro locations and regional locations to bring in new network partners to join the Hydraulink team here.
We've always remained a private company, privately held, and I think that's stood us in good stead as we've grown through the years. We compete with all the corporates out there, and we've got to make sure that we stay flexible and close to our customer base.
We have a strategic plan, and we've set ourselves a 50-year goal to be a $500 million company. So that's aspirational, and we've got the team working on that.
Our goal is to grow, and all the decisions that we make today are not about what happens tomorrow or in a year's time. They're things that we're looking at that's going to happen in another 5-10 years' time. So this business has been here a long time, and it's going to be here a lot longer. I guess just to Lee and Noel, 80 years that Hydraulink's been in business, 35 years for you guys, coming in a business that wasn't particularly tracking too well and taking it to where it is today. What a fantastic achievement, and I'm really proud to have been part of it.
Thank you, Noel and Lee, for everything you've done for me personally and for everyone else within the company. Congratulations on where the company is today, and really look forward to being a part of it for the future coming.
A big congratulations to Hydraulink celebrating an amazing milestone, 80 odd years. A few special thank yous, firstly to Noel and Lee, our owners, who have been very supportive and the real drivers behind our growth, our board for their governance and oversight, 300 staff that support our day-to-day operations. Without them, this business wouldn't be where we are. Our network partners, they employ 2,000 staff, all behind the product and building a brand. And of course our customers who have been partnering us with our growth. For me, I've been there for almost 8 years. I don't think I'll be here for another 80, but I'm sure the business will continue to succeed. Congratulations Hydraulink on a great achievement of 80 years.
It's been an incredible journey, and the journey will continue. There is no end, and even though Lee and I mightn't be involved, we're sure Hydraulink will continue to grow and be well recognised, respected company in both Australia and New Zealand.
Yeah, well, here's to the next period of growth for Hydraulink, which is just before us. Over the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years, there's plenty of market share out there for us, and we're just going to go for it. So here's to the next part of Hydraulink's growth.
Onwards and upwards.
Happy 80th anniversary, Hydraulink.
Happy 80th Hydraulink.
Happy birthday, Hydraulink.
Happy anniversary, Hydraulink. Intex, tahu, maju, bersama.
Happy 80th, Hydraulink. Happy 80th birthday, Hydraulink. Happy 80th, Hydraulink. Happy birthday, Hydraulink. Happy 80th birthday, Hydraulink. Happy anniversary, Hydraulink. Congratulations on 80 years, Hydraulink.
Well, it's goodbye from him and it's goodbye from me.